So you're gaming on your Xbox Series X console and you want to turn on the sound or turn down your TV volume, but you're using your TV remote to control your TV volume, which is ruining your game. That's why in this guide, I'll show you how you can adjust your TV's volume or control the TV speaker without the TV remote right on your Xbox Series X console using the Xbox controller. So let's see how you can do that. To adjust your TV sound from your console, you'll need to enable a simple option. Just open up Settings, then from General, go to TV and Display Options, open Device Control, and here first make sure HDMI-CEC is enabled, and you'll also need to have the Console Sense volume commands turned on. After this, you'll have to turn on the same HDMI-CEC settings also on your TV. So, open up your TV settings, which will be different according to models or make, and now from the settings, search for External Device Settings or HDMI-CEC option. Then, simply enable HDMI-CEC and you're done. And after turning this feature on, you'll be able to control your TV's volume on the fly, even when you're gaming, just by opening the Xbox guide, then going down to Audio and Music settings, and now you'll see the TV volume option at the bottom. So now you can increase your TV volume, decrease it, and even mute or unmute your TV speaker entirely. And that's all there is to it. So if this was helpful, you can let us know by dropping a like, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.